Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a practical course tailored for businesses. This course is perfect for those who want to learn UI/UX design using Figma and Adobe XD. It covers everything from design fundamentals to user research, wireframing, prototyping, web and mobile design, animations, team collaboration, and real-world projects. It's ideal for beginners, developers, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to enter this field. With around 50,000 students and a 4.3 rating, this course is a success. The current price is approximately €20. By purchasing the course, you'll have full access and receive future updates. The total duration is 10.5 hours, and upon completion, you'll receive a certificate. Here's what you'll learn: function of Figma, tools of Figma, function of Adobe XD, tools of Adobe XD. Now, I want to provide you with this amazing course for free and completely legally. To access it, first subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Then, open your browser and search for discounted course ninja.com on Google. Click on the correct link in the search results and make sure the website address matches discountedcourseninja.com. Once you enter the site, you'll find various course discount coupons. Use the search bar or browse by category to find the course. Scroll down and click Get the Coupon to receive the course for free. Note, the coupon has a time limit, so act fast. You've now unlocked the course with just a few clicks free and legal access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.